Here's the app called Scrolla, fun reels, no stress. So yeah, this app recently gets in the charts. So, just alternative to TikTok. Obviously, it's not that big as TikTok or Instagram, but just nice alternative. Dive into a feed full of fresh drops every single day. Comedy, cool moments, weird stuff. It's all in here. Scroll as much or as little as you want. No rules. Your feed adjusts to what you like. Skip what you don't. Save what you love. The more you scroll, the more it fits your vibe. Got something to say it in a video. Use simple tools to add music and fun effects. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. Scroll and chill, swipe right to vibes, great in seconds. New scrolls hits every day. Share your best scrolls. Yeah, let's just open it up just to take a look. Then there are a lot of ads in this app, so that's just how they. Yes, you can see quite a lot of long ads. So then you can see a lot of content. Then you can just create your own content. Then there's you have it. Then you can see your profile, support settings, and that's basically what it is. Then there is data deletion request, and yeah, so that's the app. I don't know how legit is it. It can be quite scammy, so I wouldn't recommend you, to be honest, to create an account in here. Yeah, because it can just sell your data eventually. So basically, yeah, that's just what it is.